Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is the place to share and learn about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
So, hey Power Mates, today we're thrilled to bring you some exciting news. The Power BI Data Visualization World Championships are here. So, it is time to showcase your data storytelling prowess. What are the Power BI Database World Championships? It's this is a global competition that is designed for data enthusiasts to demonstrate their skills in Power BI, of course, over 4 weeks. So participants will tackle unique themes, crafting completing visualization that tell powerful stories. Each week, a winner is selected. The four finalists will compete live at the Microsoft Fabric Community Conference in Vegas on March 31st. 2025 at and then the grand champion will earn the prestigious title of world champion, of course. So tell us, Gaston, why should participate on the contest?
Yeah, of course, Alex. And why you should participate? Number one, the skill enhancement. You can push your own boundaries in terms of data visualization capabilities for yourself. So, the second, global recognition is gain acknowledgement from the industry leaders and peers. Third thing, networking opportunities. That's pretty much all for us. Connect with fellow data professionals and experts. And the fourth one is exciting prizes. Weekly winners receive a conference package to the Microsoft Fabric Community Conference or PubCon in Vegas. So, what is the competition structure overall? The championships consist of qualifying rounds, each lasting 1 week. Every week presents a new theme. Right now, we are in the week number 2. So, week number 1 was about love, visualize data related to love in all its form. Week number 2, that is the current week, travel, explore and present travel related data. Week number 3, the theme is going to be announced next week. And week number 4 as well, we are going to be announced the theme of that one. Each round opens and closes on a Friday, with winners announced the following Tuesday. So the four finalists for each week will then face off in a live showdown at the Microsoft Power Community Conference. So tell us, Alex, how we can all participate on this context.
Okay, so fourth step here. First of all, join the community. So register on the Fabric community website to access competition details. Of course, second, review weekly challenge. So each week, as Gaston mentioned, each week a new them and data set will be provided. Third, create your visualization. This is the main objective. So use Power BI to craft your data story. Last but not least, submit your entry. So follow the submission guidelines outlining in the challenge details. And then we have the maybe you're asking like, okay, but how contest is going to be? Okay, the challenge criteria is submissions will be evaluated based on insightfulness, so clarify and relevance of the insight presented, visual effectiveness, so this means design, simplicity, and effective use of visuals. And the third one, and this is one important point, is accessibility, ensuring visualizations are accessible to all users. So now, Gaston, who are the judges for the contest?
Yeah, I would love, to stay in top on that and meet the judges. First of all, Andre, he is a leader in the data visualization and Microsoft MVP. Elena, she's a magician in all around database and accessibility at champions. And our friend Shannon Lindsay, an accessibility ally and data experts. Their expertise will guide all of you in the selection of outstanding visualization throughout the competition. So don't wait, get started now. And the competition already kicks off on February 14th. Don't miss this opportunity for the next couple of weeks to showcase your talent and compete for the title of world champion. For more details, I would love to switch to my screen, Alex, so you can visit the official competition, and we are going to be sharing this URL with all of you, Power Mates. This is the competition on the Fabric community website and that we've been discussing before. So let's turn data into stories that captivate and inform. I can wait to see what all of you can create on Power BI. Switching back to you, Alex.
Okay, yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, and you can, access the link and check more information and further details. So, and of course, the Power Mates are going to be at the FabCons. See you all there, and hope to meet you all there. And I hope we can talk and chit chat around on the FabCon. That's all for today, Power Mates. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Okay, Power Mates, viva las FabCon, and together let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.